Hi, in this video I'm going to show you on how to do the technical customization for documents which are zipped and a few reports. And after that, I'm going to show you on how to add more columns into student profiles page. So let's start with a technical customization. First of all, you need to be on setup module. So if you're not, you just click on setup. And then this is the home page of setup module. Scroll down a bit. On your right hand side, which is on the below part of the page, you could see a section called Customize System Technical Section, required stronger technical skill. So actually customization of documents format could be done on your own, and I'm going to show you on how to customize your receipt. But first of all, you must have a Report Designer Jasper Studio installed in your PC or laptop before you do the customization. So I already installed Jasper Studio. I'm going to show you later, but first let's click on Customize Format and then select the module, which is SimTrain, and then a list of documents would be on your left hand side, which you could do the customization. I'm going to show you on how to do the official receipt. So click official receipt, and on your right hand side you'll see another interface. Okay, you can see that in the system we already have the default format for the official receipt. So first of all, you need to download it. You need to click on default, and after that you need to click on download. So it's now downloaded into my laptop, and after that you're going to be needing a software called Jasper Studio. So the latest version is 6.2 at the moment. Okay, so this is how Jasper Studio software looks like. So first of all, you need to click on project and then go to my reports, and you right click, go to new and create a folder, and then name it. For example, I'm gonna put it as official receipt customization, and click. Okay, so I'm gonna open my file and search for the downloaded default format of the receipt, and then I'm gonna drag and put inside the folder, and then take link to files and click OK. So I'm gonna double click official receipt customization folder and double click download default format. So the official receipt will appear like this, where you could edit the wording, the image. For example, I enlarge the image a bit. I'm gonna drag this to right side, zoom it. Okay, and then this one as well, I'm gonna drag it to the right side a bit. And as for the image, I'm gonna drag it. So it would be stretch. Okay, so if you would like to change the wording, you could do that, but please remember there are certain things that need a little bit more technical touch. For example, this one, format title. Double click that, and then this one is not changeable. It's because it's hard coded. So there are a few things that you would need an extra help. But as for the simple wording like GST ID, or you may change it to GST number, this one can be done. And after that, if you are done with the customization, just click save, and then remember the name of the file. So let's go back to the system, and we're going to upload the customization that we made. So let's insert the format name. For example, I'm going to put official receipt 1, and then click choose file, and look for the file that I just customized, and open and save. Okay, as you can see, the customized receipt is now listed under format, which means that I have successfully uploaded the customized receipt. So now next step is to do the setting so that the receipt printed will be in official receipt 1 format. So go to Jukebox and then click on SimTrain module. Go to master data, primary master data, and select general setting. And scroll down a bit until you see receipt format. Okay, I'm gonna use official receipt 1 format so that all the receipts will be printed in this format. And scroll down until you see save button. Click save. Okay. So now let's see one of the sample of payment that I have to see whether the receipt is in the format that I want. So go to payment history and then search. So as you can see, the logo is stretched a bit as what I did on the official receipt. And now also the GST ID is now changed to GST number. So this shows that the customization of the receipt is successfully uploaded and is now applied to all receipts in the system. So after that, I'm going to show you on how to add more columns into student profile. So let's go to homepage first. Okay, so by default, system already provided with a lot of input fields for student profile. So let's see on it. Okay, you have the basic information of the students, and you could always add more input fields for your own record. So for example, you wish to have another new block or input fields such as hobbies and then the membership status and etc. You could add more options or you could add more columns, and I'm going to show you how. So let's go to setup module first. And then scroll down a bit till you see add customized field and search for the module. Click add new block and then select the window name. So just now we would like to add more columns for Reddit student page. So let's search for Reddit student. Click here. And as you can see, the table name would be auto generate like this. And then the block name, for example, I'm going to put it as student extra info. As for the block name, you may set the name in the simple field and the block label, which will appear on the page. For example, I'm gonna put it as student info. I'll show you how it looks like later. But for now, just key in the required input field first and then save. Okay, so now I'm gonna click on this box. Click here and then choose field type. You may select any of the field type provided. You may have text field, area, checkbox, but I'm going to select text area. Okay, and then insert the label. I would want to have hobbies input field, and I'm going to put hobbies. And please remember, when you insert the field name input field here, there shouldn't be any space, any special character. Just normal sentences like this. For example, you would like to insert hobbies 1. There should be no space between hobbies and 1. So it should be like this. And then click allow to search and click save. Okay, so let's go to add Reddit student profile. Scroll down and you can see a new column or box is now on the add Reddit student profile page. So this is what we call the block label. So this is the label custom field which I inserted just now as hobbies. So that's all. Thanks for watching.